I'm going to show you how you can scan QR codes for Alight motions. Now, you don't actually do it on the app. You need an external app to do this. So just go from your actual Play Store here and then go to the search bar down here. And then on the search bar here, search for QR barcode. Now, install whichever app you want. It doesn't really matter. Just depends on your preference. Most of them all works the same anyways. I'm just going to pick this one called QR and barcode scanner. Tap on the button to open. Now, once you tap on open, you'll see that this is what it will look like here, right? So this is our scanner. Now on our scanner, I'm just going to head on over to tap on the upper right section here to go to my gallery. Now on my gallery, I'm just going to go to gallery here and I'm going to scan the actual QR code I already have downloaded here. Let me just scan it real quick. Now, once I have finished it, you can see I scanned it and then this is what it will look like here, right? The Alight link. Now just tap on this button here to open. Now, once it opens, let's just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load like here. Once it loads, you can see it'll redirect you to the Alight Motion app here. Again, just wait for it to load. And then you can see sign in required. You must sign in to import. So just sign in, but you can see that's it. You're done. You've basically imported and then you have scanned the QR code for Alight Motion.